Find out what's fresh and what's hot with your favorite stars on Kapuso 101. Andrea Torres was born on May 4, 1990. She started her career as a Kapuso in 2011, playing supporting roles in various teledramas. Her memorable role was that of a cursed woman who turns into a beast in the TV series Ang Lihim ni Ana Sandra.
Gusto ko po tulungan yung nanay ko. Pero paano ko po yung gagawin? Ayoko po sisihin kayo kung bakit po ako naging awok.
More dramatic roles soon followed.
Pumayag ako sa gusto ng boyfriend ko na perahan namin si Manuel. Hindi kaya ng konsensya ko. Kasi kitang-kita ko kung gaano ko kamahal ng daddy mo. Nakapag-desisyon na ako. Magpapakasal po ako sa inyo. Hindi ko po kayang suklian yung pagmamahal niyo sa akin.
Truly a remarkable actress, Andrea won the hearts of viewers and critics when she played the role of the iconic character Sisa in the highly acclaimed series Maria Clara at Ibarra.
Hindi ko kaya! Hindi ko kaya! Basilio! Basilio! Please!
Her outstanding portrayal was recognized by several award-winning bodies. Clearly, there's no stopping Andrea as she set to prove her versatility as an actress, playing the role of Zarina in Love Before Sunrise.
Pinag-chismisan niyo ba ako? Wala makakapigil sa akin at pag sinabi ko, ilulugar ko yung tao, ilulugar ko, yun ang gagawin ko!
Another testament of her dramatic talent is her portrayal of Carolina, a woman accused of murder and forced to change her name to Lorena in the drama series Acusada.
Alam na niya. Alam na ni Ronnie na ako si Carolina Astor. Wala lang siyang ebidensya kaya nakapag-bluff ako kanina pero alam kong nararamdaman niya na ako yun. Tristan, may idea na siya kung sino ako.
That's Andrea Torres, Kapuso Star. Get to know more about your favorite stars on Kapuso 101.